Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how I get this beautiful voluminous braid out, and I'm starting on week and a half old hair. This routine is so simple, so I really hope that you will enjoy this video. I will be using 3 products only on wash day and also 2 styles. So stay tuned if you'd like to see this 3-product routine. Jumping right into the shower, I'm just showing you how my hair looks since I haven't washed it in a little over a week. And I'm gonna use 2 products for this wash day to get my curls poppin'. First, I'm gonna saturate my hair with warm water. And here's how my hair looks after I saturate it with a good amount of water. My curls are starting to pop, which is a great sign. Now I'm going to use the Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser. I love the shampoo because it cleanses my hair and scalp. I also love that it's gentle. It doesn't strip any moisture out of my hair, and I can work the shampoo down the length of my hair very easily. And I also use my fingers to help me detangle and work the shampoo in. After I work the shampoo in both sections, I'm going to rinse it out again with lukewarm water. Next, I'm going to apply the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, and I love this deep conditioner because it gives me the right amount of moisture and protein, so my curls are nice and healthy, they're strong, moisturized, and they have the elasticity. That is very important. I want my curls to bounce back, and this deep conditioner gives it to me every single time. I'm going to apply a generous amount and just work it down the length of my hair. And after working the deep conditioner in both sections, I am going to apply a shower cap while I take my extended shower for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's how my hair looks after I've had the deep conditioner in for 12 minutes. And I rinsed this deep conditioner out with cold water, as cold as I could stand it, so it can help lock that moisture in. And here's how my hair looks after I've rinsed the deep conditioner out, and I'm going to put a cotton t-shirt on just to soak up any excess water in my hair, not moisture. I have been doing this for years now, and I love the way that my hair feels when I go to style it, which is right now. I am going to section my hair into 4s. I find that by doing this, I'm really able to see how I want to style my hair, and in this case, I will be doing a braid out. So I'm going to part my hair and a side part because that's how I'm going to wear the braid out. I ended up combining the back 2 sections into one so I can make a row going straight across and just do braids. For my styler, I'm going to use the extra butter, and I really enjoy using this cream because it helps with curl definition. Also, it helps with moisture retention in the hair, and because we're moving into the colder months, I really need that. I need that moisture retention to last. I applied a generous quarter size amount of the extra butter into each subsection of hair for the braid, and I'm going to make sure that I braid my hair nice and snug to make sure that I get the curl definition that I desire. And as I get to the ends of my hair, I applied a little bit more of the extra butter and twirled my fingers around several times so I can have that little curl at the end. This helps to ensure that the braid does not unravel. And I'm going to continue braiding the rest of my hair. I have braided all of my hair, and I'm going to let the braids air dry overnight. So fast forward to the next day, here is how my hair looks, and it is completely dry. And if you notice, I styled my hair on semi-damp hair. That's why my hair was able to dry overnight. Next, I'm just going to gather all the other braids that I'm not going to unravel at the moment up, and then gently unravel the braids so I don't cause any unnecessary frizz. And after I've unraveled the braid, I will separate the curls about 1 to 2 times. And here's how my hair looks after I have unraveled all the braids. I'm going to take this pick and just pick at my roots for extra volume, being careful that I don't comb through the curls. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Let us know in the comments below. Bye!